Hey everybody, Anthony here. It is Tuesday, January 7th, 2025 at 9:33 a.m. Just wanted to let everybody know that I repinned on my profile. If you go on my Instagram page, you'll see the first pinned video that I did back in July of 2024, reviewing some of what was in the Bird Flu Summit PDF document that I printed out from their website, birdflusummit.com. And I spoke back then of what's taking place now. And so if you go to that website, you can download that pamphlet. It's 10 pages. You could look at the video that I did also, where I highlighted some of the and showed you some of the topics and some of the coordinated activities that were going to take place when this pandemic comes to fruition. So they know about what's coming. They're bringing out the usual suspects. I talked about that in other videos. Now that we have the first death in Louisiana, only Yah knows how that guy died, but apparently he was 65 years old with comorbidities, etc. But they're going to get their narrative. We know that. The narrative is going to come to fruition. The media is going to switch into high gear. All your hospitals and your medical physicians and everybody else is going to switch into high gear with the latest info that Bricks gives them and Wen gives them and Fauci gives them and any of the other new suspects that we have that come on the scene. Your states, many of the states' governors and mayors and all the other do-gooders are going to be so concerned with this quademic or pandemic or whatever you want to call it. And it's going to be pushed. And I'm not saying sicknesses aren't going to be real. I'm saying they have had time to plan all this. They know what works. The same mistakes people made back then, many will make again, although some are coming out of the system and waking up. But they're going to make it difficult. So just stay ready. As these days and weeks in this year move forward, take precautions for you and your family. Get in-house medications. You know, the eye medication, the Iver stuff, and other related antibiotics and other hydroxy things that you need to have in-house now. Keep yourself healthy. Spray the nasal spray with the povidone iodine and the other stuff that's out that can clean your nasal passages and block the bacteria from entering in through your nasal passages. Don't just rely on medications and what they're going to be spewing out of their mouths. And read the document. I told people back in July to read the document and get ready and plan for what they're going to push. And now you're going to see it. Everything that's written in that document is going to happen in some way, shape, or form if this is going to take a foothold. Okay? Hope people start waking up. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay ready.